Little girl is walking. There's a little boy sleeping. Oh, he's going to move around a little bit. And this is Greg's puppy. The big lug here. Come on. Come on. Move around a little bit. Come on. Let's show Daddy what you look like. Come on. Yes. Yes. Come on, baby. Come on, get up and walk around. There we go. Come on. Keep moving. Keep moving. There we go. Bella. Bella, here. Come on, Bella. These guys are just, they eat and sleep. Oh, Bella, stop. Here we go. Mama wants to come in. There's Mama. She'll go and check everything out, making sure they're okay. Hey, Bella. Hi, baby. That's a good girl. You watch your babies. These guys are 2.5 weeks.